Hello everyone, today we'll be making the spicy, cheesy Buldak Onigiri. First, crack an egg into a bowl and add some Buldak sauce. Mix these two together really well. Now pour your sauce into the steaming hot rice. It's important that the rice is hot so the egg can cook. Mix until it's well combined. I also had some black sesame seeds, so I added for aesthetic purposes. Let's shape the rice balls. First, lay out some rice onto your saran wrap. Add your choice of cheese, I used brie here, and lay your rice on top of the cheese. Now wrap up the saran wrap into a ball. Press and shape the ball into a triangle. It's definitely easier to make with cubed cheese, but I also wanted to make some with cheddar. Unfortunately, all I had was shredded cheddar, so let's see if this will work. She's a beaut. Now refrigerate for 15 minutes to an hour to make sure the rice doesn't fall apart when frying. After sufficient time, let's take the onigiris out and fry them. They're ready when both sides are golden like this. Feel free to place them on top of seaweed so you can avoid greasy hands. Ta-da! Look at that cheese pull. On the other hand, the brie was more melty, gooey, and creamy. So gooey it got all over the place.